Hello guys, welcome back. We are going to be reviewing masculine pluriel from the house of Maison Francisco Urgent. As you can see, I have almost fully used the sample because I have been enjoying it. I really like this one. It's an amazing office scent. But let's start off with the name masculine pluriel. What does it mean? Well, in French we know what it means, but what does it mean in English? Masculine means manly and pluriel means plural, which means multiple. So you could say that this is a manly multiple, man multiplied. The reason behind the name is the Francisco Urgent made the perfume specifically if you just got one perfume to use for different occasions, different times, you use this one. So it's for a man and it's for multiple occasions. That is what the name behind the perfume is. So let's also spray it and experience it together. Initially it's very soapy, a super soapy perfume. If you like soapiness, if you like lavender, this one is really it. You get some woody notes, but I must say one thing: if you don't like patchouli, stay away from this one because the patchouli is very dominating in this one. It's everywhere. You cannot go by unnoticing the patchouli. You get some amazing woody notes. I don't smell any leatheriness in the perfume, but it is mostly this dry cedar woody notes. Yes, it's a lot of cedar wood, very well blended with some green notes, some patchouli. You get the vetiver. I must say, a lot of patchouli in this one. The lavender note is there. It's not overly dominating, but it is a very well addition to the overall scent. This smells super fresh, super masculine, and like the name says, it can be used in any setting. It can be daytime, night, winter, summer, but if I would say one setting suits this the best, it's most probably the office, because this just smells soapy, clean, manly and fresh. The woodiness comes out right now a lot more. It is just amazing. Sillage wise, it's great for the office because it does not radiate and fill out a room. You can get 1 feet maximum, which is good. It's good for the perfume for what it is. Longevity wise, I'm getting around 5 hours to 6 hours, which is good for a fresh perfume. Price wise, it's one of the cheaper ones from Maison Francisco Urgent. Now you can buy other perfumes for sure. This does not really stand out and become this unique, amazingly unique perfume. No, it's not. It's just a clean, amazing perfume done by Francisco Urgent. This will not make the people around you faint and fall in love with you because you smell so good. Trust me, I have used every perfume in the world and it has never worked. But it is a very good perfume. I love it. It is a very manly perfume. I cannot see any women be wearing this one, to be honest, because it just smells so manly. So the woodiness, the cedar wood really makes this manly. It's a bit balsamic. It's a bit green. Not very much in the way of citruses, lemons, those stuff. It's not there. It's a very green, woody, patchouli. It can come over as boring. I'm being honest with you guys, it can come over as boring, but it is still an amazing perfume, and for the right person this can suit them very well. This will offend nobody, guys, because it is such an inoffensive note. Even though the patchouli is very dominating in this one, you can be put off from the patchouli, but it's still an amazing perfume. But if you like patchouli, for sure get this one. It is a bit of barbershoppy fougère, but the barbershoppy aspect dries down and it goes away very fast. The soapiness goes away very fast, and what's left over is this nice woody base, like the cedar wood combined with the patchouli and the vetiver. It's a perfume, to be honest with you guys, that does not get the attention, the love that it really deserves. And a lot of people also gave me some compliments for this perfume, even though myself, a lot of perfumes have hype around them. This one doesn't have hype, but I still got some compliments from this one. It reminds me of Tom Ford's Beau de Jour. They are very similar perfumes. Beau de Jour from Tom Ford and this one. If you like Beau de Jour, you may like this one too, for sure. Test them out, get a sample. This is not blind buy worthy, but this can be signature scent worthy and especially good for the office. I'm getting some oak moss too. This is just very good, very clean. It's amazingly done. This is not loud or very complex, just a super clean perfume that does the job so good. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Don't forget to like, sub to the channel. If you got comments, I'll be there to answer them down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao, ciao.